Wowee.
Got
We're
a link
live.
for me?
Oh shit. So many windows are open. Oh god. Just hope I didn't just dox you there somehow.
Yep.
Oh crap.
Better not have.
Now live on your channel. Alright. Do you just want to go ahead and check that the stream's up for me?
Yep, it's up. It's up.
Cool beans. I look like I'm such a narcissist because I'm sitting in my room right now, right?
Yep.
And I just have like my video of myself playing back while I'm not even watching it, just from one side. Nice.
Nice.
How's
Yeah,
your
so-
video editing going, my man?
It was good. I was just kind of fixing up the film that we made for 48 last week.
Nice, nice.
Yeah, just fixing up the audio from that and doing any other cleanup work. Yeah, it's looking pretty good, which is nice. Yeah, there's still a few problems that I gotta like iron out. Yeah, but I haven't figured that out yet, which is annoying. Because Premiere's being a bitch.
Has Premiere crashed on you yet?
Nah, but it's just it's like there's this like known bug thing which no one seemed to quite
There's a
figure
what
out.
problem?
There's a known bug. It's like how do I explain? It's when you try and make a sound kind of ring out for like ages at the end, like an echo.
Okay.
Like it on the timeline, it plays fine, it sounds fine, but when you export it, it just cuts off, and it's just like it just sounds so weird, and it cuts off and it's just silent, which is like the most annoying thing because before it sounded like really cool. It was like woo 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 woo, like an
I
echo.
see.
Yeah. So yeah, I'll be troubleshooting that
So it's
at some
more
point.
sound thing.
Yeah, yeah. Well, I was sound on it anyway because I wanted to be. I was learning how to do sound stuff. Yeah.
Oh, damn. Well, that sounds interesting. Like, that's quite validating that you get so stuck on a little wob wob wob. Makes
Yeah.
me with my like audio visual problems feel
Oh,
less
yeah.
and
Yeah.
superior.
Yeah. The smallest things still annoy the shit out of me.
Trash can. All right, you might get some feedback. I'm just gonna see what it sounds like from my pet.
Yeah,
Tablets.
make trash. Smallest things still annoy the shit out of me.
Oh, how good! All right, you might get some
Yeah.
feedback.
You gotta make a trash can.
Yeah, boy, gonna make a trash
Nice.
can. We've got a I'm just trying to think of the base assets here. The
Yeah.
concrete's not actually too bad. I don't know if
Yeah.
you can see this, but look at the fucking entrance.
Yeah.
Enter. And exit. The exit's actually somehow better than the entry. Yeah, the enter. So, not gonna
And
lie.
this is why
Yeah. Sorry.
devs have work with art people.
Yeah. This is kids don't do it. This is what happens.
Yeah.
Actually, this isn't as bad as I remember it being. Not gonna lie. I was looking at my like footage of it being in progress.
Oh yeah.
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 Hold on. I'm gonna play it actually and see what. Why does
Ooh.
nothing move? What's? I'm pretty sure everything's supposed to move around. So, yeah, no, there's a bit of delay on the stream. It's probably about 10 seconds, right?
Yep. Yeah.
So let me just explain to you the basics here. We
Okay.
have this step counter at the top, alright?
Yep.
Obviously, it's doing what you assume it to do. And then this armada of slimes is kind of,
Yep.
they're kind of the NPCs.
Yeah.
So the idea of this game is that you basically have these NPCs roaming around, and this isn't like an open world game, right? So
Right.
yeah, these guys are supposed to be doing their thing, and then you just interact with the world. You live in the world, man. So you start off homeless, and
Okay.
you spawn near a trash can. So I don't even have a trash can, but I wrote in my notes, yeah, player spawns near trash can. So I think that's symbolic of how far the game is developed so far. We don't even have the trash can.
Yeah.
So that's going to be the first hurdle.
How long have you worked on this?
This one, oh man, this is like only maybe a week's worth of actual like progress in this. So this is very,
that's
broken and shit.
That's pretty good, or it might not be. I don't know.
The disclaimer is that what you're seeing is like most of what I've already made. So if you're expecting it to get much better than this, then
no, I expect it to look like GTA by the in about a week.
It's actually a 3D game.
Yeah.
But
completely reasonable to think that you can make it look like GTA make it look and work like GTA by the end of the week.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So I'm probably gonna alternate between. For starters, I don't know why nothing's moving, because everything should definitely be moving. But probably gonna alternate between fixing the code and making assets. And we can just talk about whatever. It doesn't have to be just about my code, because I know
I'll just be looking at a bunch of stuff that I can't read.
Like these are supposed to be banana bins.
Yeah.
The assets, bro. The next level. Yeah. So first goal. All right. Actually, figure out why. Oh, hello. Figure out why nothing. Whoa! My Bluetooth keyboard is not behaving. Figure out. Why nothing is moving.
Really? That set off my Google? Fucking god damn it.
Did I set off your OK Google?
No, I set it off. It never turns on.
Oh, now I set my one off.
Yeah, when I say OK Google, it doesn't set off. But when I go like oot, it fucking piece of shit.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Oh my god. Bitch.
Oh man. Your OK Google is timed it perfectly with you stupid piece of shit. Sorry, I didn't understand that.
Oh, Google, that's a sassy one.
Oh, alright, let's close that. Let's figure this thing out. Alright.
Oh, did you hear about that GTA Online thing?
No.
Recently, like really recently, some dude found like a what was it? He's figured out why GTA Online takes so fucking long to load, and it basically is some kind of CPU bottleneck that is like single core something,
like
whatever
loading.
that means. Yeah, and basically he shaved off like 5 minutes off the loading time.
No way.
And Rockstar have come in and said like, yep, that's fixed it, and now are turning it into an official patch that's coming out soon.
No way.
And they've paid this dude like 10 grand.
10 grand.
Yeah,
like
or it was
$1 million.
Yeah, it was a part of a part of their like security bounty thing where if you find a security flaw, they'll pay you 10 grand.
Oh right, yeah, that's pretty common. Oh,
Yeah.
That's the streaming setting. Okay. Well, that's damn. Is it stupid that now I want to open up the loading screen? To like...
Well, it's not patched yet. It's not patched yet. But it was, yeah, it's just some dumb shit that like Rockstar, like some some like random person on the internet has done the work for them. Like they haven't really allocated any resources to fixing it themselves.
Man, there's one way to like fix your project. Get the
Oh, they have other
community like
people
pissed off enough that
like fix it for you.
yeah, they fix it for you essentially. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, with Cyberpunk, like I think a couple of months after release, some people went in and fixed their audio mix.
Really?
Yeah, which is yeah,
Wait, what
pretty.
was broken with it?
Oh no, it was just the mixing was all off. Like there's less of a dev thing, more of a sound mixing thing.
Ah, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Why the hell is nothing moving, mate? You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna use the old remote thing to try and find old mate slime.
Old mate slime.
Old mate slime. Oh man, I'm already like becoming more self-aware of how badly I coded this. Banana bins. Get banana bins. NPC. Well, NPC, your target is null.
Have you found the problem?
Oh, I've done some weird stuff here. Can I uncomment this? Oh. So I had these lines in, which were meant to help me. Oh wait, hold on. This one guy is running around. Oh, go. Oh, he's shopping too. No way, this makes me so excited. So you see...
Nice.
Oh, why has he not made it to the exit, bro?
He's going to banana bins.
Yeah, he went to the banana bins and... why does he not want to go home? He's lost.
He's just hit a wall of life, man.
So... I'm finna... Let's visualize this stuff, my friend. So the problem is here is oh, hello. This is the banana bin, so we'll make it yellow.
Okay. All right.
Damn
Classic controversial choice, but
it. Cancelled. Bang. There we go. Don't tell me I can't do art. Alright, so the way this works is we've got targets. Now, a slime finds a target and then boop, using just some weird magic stuff, it creates a path that has little nodes on the way. So, in actuality, okay, that's actually a stupid example. Let's put another thing over here. When a slime wants to get from here to here, it uses this thing to try and find the path, and it just kind of gives it these coordinates here, here, and here. And then, let me see. And then my job is to just get the slime to walk towards that, but not overshoot it.
Yeah.
And then get here, and then once it gets close enough to kind of chill, pick its next target, and then start and set that as the
So,
the next thing to go.
here's the weird thing. What you're explaining to me right now doesn't quite make sense because I am watching a 10-second delayed thing, but it's somehow lined up to something to like the previous 10 seconds.
That's fucking good,
like
dude.
here, and here, and then like past you is just made 3 dots, but 3 different dots to what you're actually talking about.
And then if you want to look at the dirty, filthy underbelly of this, banana bins and NPCs. I'm trying to figure out what what I commented out here last time I was actually working on this.
Yeah.
Banana bins and NPCs. So I'm looking at all the bananas. If it doesn't have a target, make the target the first banana bin. And then do a path. Okay, that's not... That sounds awfully old-fashioned. I think we've got a new way of doing that nowadays.
So, what is the game? You wake up in a bin. You wake up near a bin. And then you've got to live.
Okay, so you wake up near a bin. Thank you very much. Okay. Yep. You wake up near a bin. And then you start finding little water bottles, little sody pop bottles on the ground. Okay?
Alright.
Now, I'm going to write this down as I narrate it as well. What is this game?
What is the game?
Okay. Basically, let me check this shit out. Sorry, when I get messages, I just like awkwardly become unresponsive. Just straight. Alright. So, step 1. Wake up near trash can.
Yep.
Just like real life. Step 2. Pick up bottles.
Yep. Nice. Responsible.
Step 3. Recycle bottles for cash and save the planet.
Nice.
That's a side effect, okay? That's not really the game.
Oh,
but this
I'm
is just
liking
how
the
you start.
message.
Now, this is the plot twist.
Okay.
You get money for recycling the bottles. What?
Oh.
Okay,
It's
so
just
now...
like real life. In some places.
Yeah, it's not New Zealand.
Yeah.
Because our country needs to get its shit together.
Yeah.
Now, then from here, it becomes a bit more open. So, the idea is that you can... What can you do? Well...
I mean, what can't you do?
Get a fucking job. Get a job. Okay? Meet people and make friends.
Nice. I'm liking this.
My typewriter over keyboard is like slowly
yeah.
getting there. Okay, get a job, meet people, make friends. Sounds great, right? You can rent a house. Ooh. You can sleep in a bush. Whoa, that's a lot of H's. Most likely will have to sleep in a bush. Either way. Because you're poor. And then my keyboard just added some more letters in there for dramatic effect.
It's too relatable.
You can end game, buy a house.
That's the end game.
This doesn't sound like much of a game loop, right?
Yeah,
at least that might be what you're thinking. But
sounds like a really hard thing.
There's much more. So the idea is basically like you can do all this crap, and then also kind of just how do you describe it? It's kind of the idea of this game is supposed to be like really rich in its little mechanics. You know?
Yeah.
So you have your little step counter that's just happily plotting away. You know? Get fit. Generally improve yourself. So you just you know how you talked about kind of emotions driving game or like experiences, especially like when you're trying to create something for other people to experience.
Yeah.
Basically, I'm thinking like the emotion here, trying to get at, is like this idea of both kind of a living world, even though it's obviously not 3D, it's 2D.
Yeah.
But this idea of just there being like so many little mechanics through which you can kind of whittle away at just making progress.
Yeah,
Now,
yeah.
You know, you trick the player into not really like thinking of it as an endless, like pointless grind. But like if you think about it, most games kind of are. You know, you're just grinding something to get something to grind something, right? But yeah, it's just kind of like adding so much richness that it's soothing. And have you played Stardew Valley before?
No, but I have heard that it's got a very how do I describe it? It's got a gameplay loop that's got like that makes everyone just keep going back to it.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's very I'm trying to think of like, I guess maybe like a weird comparison, but Tamagotchi, right?
Oh yeah.
Like how you just kind of come back to it, you feed it, and you know,
and
but it's kind of soothing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's kind of that. It just allows you to like accomplish little things in a game that it just will have little moments of kind of satisfaction. Like maybe you get a job at the bloody supermarket that you work at. But you just kind of like grind it out. You can progress in your job at the supermarket. Maybe you become a manager, or you like buy the supermarket or something. You know, these little things. And in the meantime, there's just like little happy little people bouncing, little slimes bouncing around the place. Yeah, I don't. It sounds a bit.
It's kind of like a very kind of not macro level, but just like it's an RPG that focuses on like very small granular things.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. And
that's cool.
I guess it's about systems. Oh shit.
Yep.
Which is what I've decided is going to be kind of my strong point here. And yeah, so I'll try and just take it one step at a time and see how they all feel, and then hopefully you get this kind of exponential effect where things are cooler the more you work on them.
Yeah.
You know, and like simple systems will start interacting with each other.
Yeah, that's always the best part when, like in Zelda, like Breath of the Wild, like just a bunch of interacting systems. It just makes it so fun, and just some interacting systems just really surprising.
Yeah, just little things, right? Like, I don't know, harvesting apples or something.
Yeah. What bin are you going for?
I don't know, man. There's so much selection. Is it weird that this is like looks like a New Zealand rubbish bin to me? Same with this one here.
Which? Oh, yeah.
Whereas this does not feel very New Zealand. Same with this rubbish bin here. This one, oh man, I've seen this rubbish bin in so many places. Gosh, what an inspiration. This one even has kiwis on it. Ooh. But ideally, so another thing I've been jotting down notes from watching little pixel art videos is something to keep in mind. Sounds obvious, but like keeping the perspective the same.
Yep.
So
everything gets
pretty much, you know, we're going for a top down here, and to like keep that shit top down, you know. So let's try and get everything up. Get my reference images up. Get the game up as a little reference. And let's try and see what we can make happen here, my dude.
Let's do it.
Okay, so which bin do you think is the sexiest?
So you're looking from the top down. What bin looks like a bin when it's top down?
Yeah, I mean, I think these. Okay, so we could either go for a round bin.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna. Oh no! Hell no! No, don't try and freehand a circle in pixel art. Let's get that ellipse out. So we can go for a round bin, in which case we're going metal, right?
Okay. Yep. Yep.
Or we can go for.
You can have like an open bin, like a park bin that's like just
It
open
sounds
on
like
the top,
software.
and
Like
then inside,
introducing
yeah,
open bin.
open bin, uh, and like
Open
then
bin, park bin.
then you can fill it with like just random colors and stuff, make it look like there's trash inside.
From the top down, you reckon, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, which one of these do you think? Which one of these
So-
references do you think looks the most bin-like?
That one that you had the mouse over.
Oh shit.
It's got a lot of like.
Send a link in the. Can you send a link in the chat in the
Yeah.
in the video chat, and then I'll click on that link. And anyone else will be really confused as to why it's just. Well, can you send images? Probably not, right?
I don't think. I don't know. I don't know if you'll be able to open a. If you'll be able to open a link from thing. Ooh. Yeah, that looks like a park bin. I mean, it is a park bin, but
Paste it in, boy.
here's a chat. Little ghost boys look like what? Oh, hello. Boop. So, what? Bloop. That didn't work. Fuck. Oh.
What is
it's all
he
gone.
going through? So, okay, so to
Wow.
begin with, I think was pretty safe, is we're going to want grass in the background.
Use this.
For reference. Where is it?
I put it in the video chat.
The video chat. In the live chat?
Yeah.
Let me have a look.
It's green. But that might clash with the grass.
Let's have a look. Oh god, we're gonna get some inception going on here. The little ghosty boys look like lollies I want to eat. Oh nice. Just how I found out that my chat isn't that live on my tablet. Nice. Where the fuck is the chat? I was on the chat.
Oh man. Didn't even work.
Show me chat.
I'll just send it to you on Discord then.
Oh, it's because it's a link.
Boo.
Do you want to delete the other Discord message where you sent your email address?
Oh yeah. Yeah. Please don't email
Oh,
me.
whack that doesn't. Okay.
I've deleted it.
Alright, so. Oh, fuck yeah. That's a bin.
Now that's a bin.
Pin that, yeah. Whoa. Oh yeah, pin it. Okay,
Beautiful.
download. Just bear with while someone that works on computers for a living tries to figure out how to download a fucking image. Oh god.
Open link.
Renderhub.com.
Yep.
Where did you go to get this?
I literally just looked up like park bin.
Okay, so we're gonna do this top down though.
Yeah.
Now, I think some games kind of do like a top down hybrid where it's kind of front on at the same time. Like my door, right? Would be dog shit if it was fully.
It would just be a line.
It would just be a line. So, from that sense, I think front on is also okay. I have self-okayed that.
Completely just contradict your earlier statement about, oh, it's got to be the same perspective. It's like, oh, you front on.
I don't know. What do you reckon? Because okay, so look at Prison Architect, right? Let's have a look. Prison Architect.
What do their bins look like?
Yeah, what does Prison Architect's bins look like? Okay, let's have a little look-see. Oh god damn it, Google. Do you remember back when Google used to have like full resolution images of things? And then I think now they've become like less. they give people more credit for their actual work, so they don't just like they don't cache like high resin. So see, Prison Architect, everything's kind of front on, right? But the ground, I think this is probably my reference in terms of art, because you see the ground is kind of flat, like top down, right? And the building stuff is kind of front on. You see that? Oh no, has he fucked off? That's unfortunate. I think we just lost Will for some reason. Oh, let me check my messages. Okay, nice. I'll just keep going with this then while he figures out his internet. So, slight front on. How do the bins look in this actually? So toilet is kind of looking at it from the top. They're kind of cheating, aren't they? Oh. They've kind of got that. Maybe bigger. Boop. Move that shit up. Does that do pixel perfect? Yes. Wow, look at that. So I've got some darker bits in between. I know this is not really sticking to my color palette, but just see how it looks, because rubbish bin's supposed to be dirty. Do we have a fill tool available? Paint bucket. Nice. Just make the entire inside default to this green. I think I want to use like 3 shades of green perhaps on this. So it's a really dirty green, but I guess rubbish bins are quite rank looking anyway. Should I just go for the lines and then ignore the interior? Tricky. Go. I think Will's internet is just restarting. Man, this is bizarre. I think these lines are slightly too angled. Boop, boop, boom. should I make them chonkier? That is the question. Where's the chat at? Little chunky boys look like lollies. They sure do. Nice. Rubbish bin. See, do we go for like a big black bag in the middle of it? Perhaps. Also got to think about where the lighting's coming from. Kind of got lighting coming from this way. Makes you think the shine should actually be kind of over here. Oh man, trash cans. Make the inside black or dark green. Okay. Black or dark green. What kind of shade? Okay, tell me which shade of dark green you recommend out of the, you know, how dark are we talking? We've got kind of like brown. Yeah, you reckon like more drastic. I'm going to remake this one into the old shaded green because that looks kind of shit. The one next to black. This one here. I'm just going to hold my mouse here until the stream delay catches up. But inside near the rim. Okay. Now, do you mean underneath the rim? Or on top of the rim? Like the top of this area down here? Got this very delayed communication, but you know, it'll work. Don't leave me hanging. Which area are we colouring in here? Down below or above? On top. Sorry, it's slow. Okay, Will's joining the call again, so this is gonna be much easier. Oh, here we go. There we go. G'day.
Hello.
It didn't, because I'm in streaming mode, it wouldn't like show up that you're calling. Just got someone in chat very helpfully dictating to us on top. Okay.
Nice.
Color on top. Oh shit, I feel the pressure now. Oh, I don't know. Okay, I'm kind of forgotten the perspective. So we could, so just pretend this is like a looking like black hole.
Yeah.
And then color this. What if this is a darker green? Let's don't hate. Let's just see what the vibe is here. We do this. We've got oh, that looks like shit. Okay, now we're gonna make the inside just dark green. Oh god. It's alright. I think a black on the inside is a safe choice here.
Yeah.
Someone's saying, yes, that's good. It's great because of the delay. I never know if it's like the thing I've just done that's good or the thing I did a long time ago that's good.
Yeah. That's the difficulty. That's the curse of a streamer.
Life's hard, man.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, this other green is so disgusting. Oh gosh. Okay.
Yeah. Well, kind of looks like a bucket, but
a bucket. It looks like a corduroy bucket. That's what it looks like.
with some like horizontal things.
Like going around. Yeah, some support. Oh, now we're thinking.
Horizontal rings.
Oh, that's a bit too low. Let's go like at the bend. Oh, beauty.
Yeah.
I'm gonna, I think, replace the inside green as well because it looks like vomit. There we go. That's hot.
Nice, nice.
Okay, what color should we do for the inside bit?
I think the concept is good, but the execution is wobbly. Oh.
Lacking a little bit.
Please, he's just a dev. He's not. He's not art.
The execution is wobbly. The shades of green need to be the same tone as what it looks like. Fair call.
Well, he's just getting roasted.
Yeah, shades of green need to be the same. Well, this is why it's a learning.
It's a learning
stream.
Mhm.
Here we go. Oh shit! Let me undo that. The chat's actually helping a hell of a lot, to be quite honest with you.
More than me.
I can't even draw a straight line. Let's think now. Let's pixel art rubbish bin. Let's see what the internet does. Okay, so they go for a solid color because I think pixel art fails with like fine lines. We have like these fine lines. You're trying to have like gaps in them.
Yeah.
I think solid color is a better idea.
Right.
You know, I think this is where the
Yeah,
solid.
You might be going for a bit too much detail there.
Yeah, I think that's what always gets me with pixel art is firstly that I suck at it. Yeah, less is more. You're right. And then I think, okay, now you just give it some accents. You know, where does this thing? Yeah, it's the tones are kind of off, right? Where does this thing need? So this is the game it's going to be in, you know. So we need like a dark green.
Yeah. Something darker.
Small pieces of paper inside. Then it will look like a bin. Okay, now next challenge. Small pieces of paper. What color do you imagine a piece of paper that is crumpled up? Oh shit.
Kind of like shades of white and grey.
White and grey, right?
Like alternating, so it looks like different kind of.
Oh, you know what I'll do? The classic, like, Maccas Cup, um, like, sticking out, you know what I mean?
Right.
Okay, how do I do, like, a 3 pixel wide imitation of a Maccas Cup with, like, a red straw Maccas sign there? Let's make this darker. McLovin
You McLovin it.
Oh no, I'm being told off for overcomplicating. Oh dear. Okay. You can't win sometimes, mate.
No.
I was kind of vibing the Meccas Cup, I'm not gonna lie. Just do white and grey blobs. Alright, fuck. Do we need a white accent on those blobs? Or do we have singular coloured blobs? So many questions. It's weird how you can, like, not get a scratched up piece of paper, right? When you made one out of, like, 5 pixels.
Yeah, man, I am not a visual artist. Like,
Oh man, some people... See, look at this one. They've got cell shading. Ah, that's what we need. Put them near the book. Put them near the bottom because things don't float. Well, I'm actually layering things. Thank you very much. Jesus Christ. Spinner's full after all. Or somewhat full, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
Man, this is difficult. Who would have known that filling a bin up with fake paper
Would be so difficult. Yeah.
would be so difficult?
Yeah, that's looking a bit better.
Thank you. I'm trying to go for a little bit of a pile here, you see?
Oh man. My room's like right next to this other house, and this kid's just like screaming.
Oh dear.
Oh god.
Oh, whatever, I'll take it. Put them near the bottom because things don't float. Yeah, I think I've taken care of that. Now let's see if good old mate cell shading here will help us out a little bit.
Yeah, that's looking a bit more bin-like.
Fuck. Good paper. I'm so proud of you. Oh my god.
Yes,
I've
we
done
did
it. We did
You did
it. She's proud of us, Will.
Nice.
Not just me.
I didn't do anything. I'm just sitting here
Your
eating.
moral support.
Yep.
Okay. Oh, bruh, I'm not gonna lie. This outline, whew, holy crap, that is making a difference.
Do you need to shift it up a little bit so you can do the bottom?
Modern problems. Oh.
Why modern solutions?
Okay, that ought to take care of it. Oh, now the paper pops out so much more. Does chat have any more roasts happening? Nah, chat's happy for now.
No,
I think you should
just
change
praise.
the shade of green. Fucking hell. Yeah, I think you're right. This is too friendly of a green. This needs more of a trash vibe to it. Let's go for what about this dirty? Ugh. That's gross. Don't really like that. Yeah, there's gonna be green in the background. Well, we need to think about this.
Maybe a grey bin.
Yeah, what about some form of grey?
Was that gonna clash with
fucked up.
grey paper?
Paper now does not stand out as much as it used to.
Oh no.
Now I could add some kind of...
Oh, you can add accents to the bin.
Now I can add highlights to it.
Yeah. Some accenting colours give it a little bit more depth.
Now let's just have a little play here, team. Maybe dark.
Why does it need to be green? It doesn't.
It doesn't. It does not need to be green. We're just playing around. We're just making some happy little trash cans.
Dark blue. That's what they're saying.
Alright, dark. Oh crap. I was gonna see how bad these highlights look. Boop. 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 I'm not gonna lie, that does kind of look... looks like a thimble from, you know, like Monopoly.
Oh yeah. Upside down thing there. Yeah. Or is it right side up? Who knows?
It's not actually horrible. Okay. This is the bit where it might be horrible, so we're just prototyping here, alright team?
The stripes could be better. I mean, the bottom stripe could be better.
Wow. I feel attacked. No, I think this is definitely hitting in the... Nope. That is firm no. Okay. Let's go to our friend Grey. Old mate Grey. Alright. Colour suggestions, please, in the chat. We will not be doing this without any good colour suggestions, please.
What colour are bins? Dark blue.
Said dark blue, sir.
Yep.
Or brown, maybe. Gosh. Okay. Ooh. I mean, so this game, even though you grind out in it, it's supposed to have an uplifting feel to it. So, if the colours are slightly unconventional for a bin,
I've seen blue bins before.
Yeah, and I think a blue contrasts nicely against the green of the background, right? Or a brown, maybe.
Probably. Brown bins I haven't seen. Apart from like wooden park ones. But those have a lot of detail in them.
Let's just have a think. So I'm just gonna walk over to the grass. Doop 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 doop.
Oh, score.
Does it look like it kind of works? Brown.
Yeah.
Let's make this guy a bit bigger. Whoop. Whoa, I just did a whole bunch of shit I don't understand. Oh my god, you can scroll through the colors. Wow. Dude. I also just like dyed all this crap. Okay. I'm gonna give brown a shot. Brown will be confusing with the doors. Okay, I feel...
That's a good point.
I feel this, but blue is good because it's different.
Also a good point. Ah, blue, because that's where your blue blob came from. Blue bin.
Yeah, because he's trash. Okay.
It's all coming together.
It's all coming together. Blue bin. God damn. File type. Well, this is going to be the Aseprite file. And then we're gonna export this bad boy. Visible layers. We could even like animate it so it has like little shit falling out of it. That'd be kind of cute, actually.
Sounds like a lot of work.
I mean, yeah.
Maybe
yeah, it
now.
would be. But I mean, like, because this is
Yeah.
like this pixel art, so it's not.
Yeah.
You know, you go
Like-
what, next frame.
For now, get the base art done, and then you can start animating things.
Are you telling me that that's not a good idea? Okay, 2D world. So here's our lovely player. He's gonna spawn, or they're gonna spawn actually. This is a non-gendered player. Thank you very much. Shit.
Just a blob.
Fuck. Oh, I just want the player. People are not tidy. Oh my god, do a little piece of paper lying next to it on the grass. Yeah. Well, we'll get to that in a second, alright, mate? Jeez. For now, we're just trying to find my player. Player. Move. No. Oh my god. These goddamn kids. Alright, so now you want to see my process of importing assets? Well, go in here. We find what assets we just made. Bluebin.ping. This is the important bit.
Yeah.
Because we go in here and we drag this guy in. You see how it's really blurry like that? That's a big
no.
fail. But if you go boop,
Oh, yep.
it's like going to Specsavers, mate.
Should
Actually, oh, it's actually amazing though. It makes everything better.
Yep.
So now that guy's chill, and blue bin there. Maybe we have one over here. Wow, look at that! And look, they're already in. Wow. Oh shit. Ah, nice. I attached them to the player, of course, instead of the scene.
You just
Let's move
carries
this
the bin
up
with them.
here. There we go. So now they won't move with me anymore. People are not tidy, Kiwi. This is actually. I'm impressed, team. We've made bloody good progress.
That was a good
We've
bin.
got a bin.
Take that off.
If we really wanted to flex, we'd add like a little shadow on the ground below it.
Some ambient occlusion.
But whatever. We ain't. Yeah. There we go. Bam!
And
Make
we can
trash
add
can. We fucking did
Some
it.
ray tracing as well. Let's do that. Add
Make-
that into your.
Alright, you can add it. Make rubbish.
I'll
make
figure it
rubbish.
out. I'll just.
Make bottle. Recyclable. Okay. So. Next big move, guys.
Make a bottle.
We're moving up in this world. Yeah, bottle time. Reference image. Alright, I think we got this down. I think this bottle's gonna just fly along. Let's have a look. Close all this trash.
So it's got to be way smaller, right?
Yeah, bottle is very exciting. I have good feelings about this one, boys. At least we have a hype, man.
Yeah. Nice.
Sorry, what was your question, Will?
Oh, is the bottle got to be small? Much
Yeah, so the
smaller.
bottle's gonna be.
So you have like possibly just like 10 pixels to work with.
Yeah, you're probably right, to be honest. Bottle needs to be smaller than bin, but it could be like, you know, not everything's to scale. So potentially dealing with a. Okay, what should we go? 16 by 16. Okay. Now, soda bottle.
Like let's get like a scrunched up looking bottle.
Oh, mate, that's Let's have a look at pixel art. Damn, people be good at this, man.
Yep.
How do they add... That's way more than 16 by 16. This is good. A little thing like that. It needs to be empty. That's the thing. So we're probably going to go for like a blue kind of a thing. Honestly, I think if it's scrunched up, it won't be recognizable. Because 10 pixels is not enough to work with. You know what I'm saying?
Empty bottle. There's transparency, right? If you just do the outline with like a label in the middle and then the rest of it's like transparent.
Yeah, so I might go, oh, like this one here is quite good. Bottle of soda.
Oh, are you able to make it instead of are you able to set like opacity of colors to be like semi-transparent?
Yeah, I can do that.
So you could make a kind of blue-ish or like bluish bottle that's also kind of transparent.
Okay, this will be our reference. All right. This bottle here. Countdown. Yeah. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you, countdown.
Can I do this? The challenge. Let's get that reference image open. Boop. So you reckon have some transparency in here, right?
Yeah.
So the bottle's probably going to be... Let's think about the width. So probably go for a really pale color. Because we also need contrast with the background, right?
Yeah. Just wondering if we go with the outline again.
The outline again is probably a good idea, but I might just add that after I've done it. So I'm thinking this whole bottle I'm going to give 4 pixels width max to work with. And then it kind of goes, it tapers in at the bottom. So I'm going to do a new method. This is patent pending method, guys. But, oh, rip. Our art director has to eat dinner.
Oh no.
The show must go on.
Enjoy your dinner though.
Yeah. Thanks for the art direction.
The bin looks very nice.
Yeah. We'll put your name. We'll like give you credit for that in the. I'll turn this. There'll be like a video recap from the stream, and you'll get full credit for the bin.
Bin artist.
Bin artist, yeah. Lead bin artist.
Lead bin art supervisor.
Yeah. Is that your role? Or like a bin lead, like bin technical director. So. Okay. Okay, so. Oh no, we've already encountered a problem here. Mm-hmm. The opening of the bottle is going to have to be either 2 pixels or 1 pixel wide. If it's 1 pixel wide, I need an odd number of pixels. Oh, she doesn't even want the bin to be in her name.
Oh.
Oh, that's good.
Okay.
Big rip, though.
Alright. Well, enjoy your dinner anyway.
Yeah, enjoy your dinner anyway. In our hearts, the trash can will represent you.
It's just unofficial.
Will, what are your thinkers here on doing a single pixel cap? So then I'd need to have 5 pixels in total. Man, this bin's... Man, there's not a lot of pixels to work with, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
How do pixels...
And you also have to think about the outline as well.
So we've got...
Is it going to look like a bottle if it's... Oh, it might.
And are we going to go for the black outline? Oh, that makes it so chunky already.
Yeah, I know.
What if we just kind of...
Get a wine bottle.
Yeah, it could actually be a wine bottle. It's not a bad call. Delete. 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 It's like, I like to think of this art as like, you know, a piece of marble that comes into the shop. And you just keep chipping away.
Yep. The
blue lid.
Michelangelo is in there.
It's in there. The bottle is... I can feel the bottle in these pixels. You know?
You just have to get it out.
Somewhere within these bottle pixels. There is a bottle waiting to be...
Oh yeah, that's kind of bottle-y.
Thank you.
Kind of. It's a bit phallic, but
Fuck off. There we go. That's the label. Oh, it looks a little bit like... Oh, what's it getting wrong? It's honestly like not too far off.
Yeah, that's pretty
But
good. It's not bad.
I can't quite place what it is that it needs. Well, this is going to be really small, right? It's about that size.
Are you able to like kind of taper it in the middle a little bit? Bring it in and then back out? Do you have enough pixels to work with to do that?
Should I? Alright, I'm going to make a controversial call here.
Yeah.
And... Oh, fuck, what the hell? How the hell? Okay, whoa, that was interesting. Chonk.
Chunky boy.
Let's bring it back in again. Oh, this is... Wait, oh, it's off center now because it's an odd number of pixels wide. Mate, there's so many decisions to be made here. Okay, so we need to have it wide enough that it can be brought in the middle, which means it needs to be like 5 pixels so that it can go down to... It doesn't need to be symmetrical, actually. That's another thing to keep in mind.
Yeah.
You know? Like, this whole bottle could be... Like... I feel like they always have these thick bases.
Yeah.
Chonk. Chonk. Something like that. Maybe up a little bit more. A bit extra on this side. Up. And then bottle lid up here. Solid. Made like the Leaning Tower of Pisa of like fucking drink bottles.
It's a Picasso.
Bit too chonky. Definitely feeling this is slightly on the chonky end. Now it looks like
it's a 3-liter bottle. That's
now what we had before was better, I reckon.
yeah.
What about this? It's just minimalistic, sleek, elegant. Nominated for. Okay. Where's our old mate? Whoop. So that's the problem. The bottom don't look round enough. There we go. I think it just needs to have a hard stop.
Alright, just give it a label and you'd be...
Yeah, honestly, I think this is fine. Drink our water. It's the good shit. Boop. Boop. Oh crap. Boop, boop. Hey, I actually kind of like that.
Yeah.
Kind of came full circle. Nice. Water bottle. Will, I'm not gonna lie, you've been a real asset here.
Thank you.
See what I did there?
Yeah.
Export for Twitter. Water bottle. These is, you know, at least the water bottle can have your name on it.
Nice.
That's your recognition, you know.
I'm the water bottle guy.
Alright, should we, I mean, staying in what's it called, like, on theme, putting it in next to the trash can, I think, will be a good call. Oh, look at that, it like, looks right at home. Got a little filter trick, bang! Yo, this looks sick. I'm very happy with that.
Nice.
What do you think?
Yeah, that's good.
Oh, the colours work. You could even have like it sticking out, like around here. That works quite well.
If it's possible, you could do physics at some point, and you can like knock around bottles as you walk and stuff.
Yeah, I like the idea of that.
Every time you collide with it, it just kicks it a little bit.
Because look, they look quite... So if we save that, like look at them, they're just chilling there. They look quite legit in the world. And then we go... We put them on these shelves. Now that's another thing to do. We'll get to that. Z index, why you gotta do this? Up here?
So should there be a difference between like full bottles and like empty bottles?
Probably, yeah. Oh, fuck. Come on. Let's bring this to the front, eh? Ta-da! So we go, boom.
Nice.
And we use some black magic wizardry to do the Z index.
Yep.
So this will be, so these guys will have to be like Z index 4. Bum, 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 bum. Z index 4, because we're going to do 4 rows of them on here. Sorry, the reason I'm doing this is just to see like what they look like in the real fake world. You know. Duplicate, bring it back there, drop the Z index, drop the Z index, there we go. Bring them up there, Z index. Just want to see, so now if we go walking into our store, let's have a look at what these water bottles look like. So we've got some water bottles in here. Cool. Yo! That's
nice.
not at all how I put them in here, but...
Wait, let me... Oh, yep.
Hey, balls. They look legit, though. Honestly,
yeah.
Oh, yeah, you might... I think you're right, Will, about the empty... These, if anything, these look full. And then...
I mean, if you add a
transparency.
Not transparency, but you can fill it up with a liquid of some kind, but like not quite to the top.
And then it will look like someone's like pissed in a bottle.
Okay, if you want to make them yellow, sure.
Oh, this guy needs to drink more liquids.
That's a gross yellow.
God.
Orange drink, yeah.
Because I reckon, my thought here is we go make a transparent version of this color.
Yeah, well, that
Paint
works
that
as well.
on, so we go transparent. Dip, dip, dip. I do like the idea of like half full bottles. I think that is a good idea, Will. But I'm just thinking maybe we'll save it for a different asset. See, that looks kind of like water, don't you think? Do it.
Yeah.
Maybe. Well, these ones are supposed to be empty. So. There we go. So this one we're actually going to save as water bottle.
Empty bottle.
Empty. And I'm an idiot because I was pressing Control S that whole time, so the other one will be overwritten as well. Nice. Go in here. Boop. Boop. Remember the trick. Import. Re-import. Done.
And click the filter button. Bam.
You make a good student, Will.
Yeah.
Who be messaging?
Oh! Beautiful.
Let's just have. I'm just having a little. Let's just see what. What do those look like? Alright. Oh, look at those empty bottles. You can see the color of the background through them. That's cool.
Nice.
That one looks super full now, in contrast to these two.
Someone's just dumped a full bottle.
Man, transparency does so much, eh? Like, just being able to see the bin through the bottles makes it feel so much more like it's in the, like an asset in the world.
Yeah, just small little, like, immersive stuff like that.
It's like stuff your brain picks up on.
Yeah.
You know, like the concrete, you can see the concrete, you know.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is our final stretch goal for this. Will, are you ready for it?
Okay. Yeah.
We are going to make... This is a bit of a step up from the trash can and the
And the bottles.
bottles.
Yeah.
We're going to jump all the way up to the rest of the game. Recycling bin. Not just recycling bin, but a recycling machine.
Recycling machine.
Yeah, like a... Let's have a look. Recycling machine. Recycling machine. Oh, crap. Okay. Oh, something like this. This is exactly what I want. One of these. Boop.
Hold up. Give me a sec. Just waiting for
Come on, internet.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Catch up, you bastard.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look how happy this lady looks. Recycling machine, yeah. Which one do you think? I mean, you feel free to have a look on Google Images as well. I'm thinking of just going for something plain, but that will also have, like, very obvious body language.
It's a big green box, 2 holes in it, 1 input and 1 output. So like, you know, input is a bottle, output is a coin, and then I think the thing that's gonna be most identifiable is the recycling symbol.
Yeah. The little... So, okay, I'm thinking this is going to be quite a big asset.
Yeah.
So you made some good points there. Let's just jot this shit down. Okay. Oh, crap. Recycle machine. What? Whoa, hello. Come on, recycle machine. Recycle machine. Key features. Okay, so we have an input, output, and what was the other thing? So you see the recycling logo.
And the recycling symbol. Yeah.
Whoa, damn, my keyboard, dude. Recycle. Sit. Can I blame my bad spelling on my keyboard as well? Is that allowed?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, so recycling symbol, input, output. I think that's it. Maybe a button.
Button. Oh yeah.
Button? But that could be optional. Because the coins, so it gives you money, right?
Yeah.
So I'm thinking 64, so that would be twice the height of the bin.
That might be quite big.
And 32 wide, because we want it to be... Oh, nice, I fucked it up. 64 high and 32 wide. Because this needs to be a prominent object, right?
Yeah.
Let's have a look. This is gonna be our reference here. Actually, no, that's crap. Let's just make our own. We don't need a reference. Okay.
Yes, the references.
So the good thing is, I think for once this is gonna be an easy shape. Namely.
Oh, rectangle. Perfect. We're done.
Yeah. Now, okay, hold up. Remember the whole color contrast thing?
Yeah.
So I don't think we want this to be on front of I don't think oh, sorry, someone's just messaging me about the stream.
So if you make it bottle input is at the top, and then a tiny, smaller output at the bottom for coin.
Yeah, output at the bottom for coin. So I guess that would probably be black, maybe over here. Ooh, boop. And then we can go. Shit, man, pixel art writing is so hard.
Does it need to be in words? Can you just do a $sign?
Oh my god. You creatives. I think it would be, you know, it would be kind of funny to have. Although I get your point. I think it's valid, to be fair. But how funny would it be if it was just like cash? It's just like, god damn you. There we go. Cash. For cash for trash.
Cash for trash.
Oh man, I'm not gonna lie, this isn't the worst pixel art writing I've ever done. It ain't the best, but definitely ain't worst. How did I do the S again? That goes around like that. Nope.
Bruh.
What do you reckon about the cash for trash sign? Too obvious?
Nah, I like it. I like it.
You fling, you bling.
You fling, you bling.
Yeah, let's bring this
Very cool. Yeah.
Crap, you piece of shit.
Get out of my sight. What?
There we go.
Cash for trash.
Cash for trash. This feels like it could be like an American TV show. Today on Cash for Trash.
I've got some trash and I've got cash.
Oh, so in games like this, the one thing that really makes it is when you get like just a little animation that plays when you like deposit your trash or something. You know, that's what makes it so satisfying. Now,
the whole thing like shakes around.
Yeah, like kind of like rattles a little bit.
Yeah.
So, oh shit, wrong color. This is the thing. So we're running into the contrast problem here. This unit will only be able to be like indoors.
Yeah.
You know?
Okay.
I think I kind of feel like maybe this is bigger than it needs to be. Maybe it could be smaller. It could be half the size. Because you're saying it needs to have an input, right? I reckon you're definitely right about that.
Yeah.
Maybe like, but it should probably be at like hand height.
Yeah.
The input.
And yeah, how do you make it obvious that you have, or even though they won't be interacting with it like that?
Yeah,
Like,
that's the input, right?
yeah. Maybe like an arrow.
Yeah, I was just thinking that. Dude, how can even arrows be difficult in pixel art? This is bullshit.
I think it needs to be bigger. Because that's just a cross.
Yeah. It's like go like this. And then it can't be touching because it looks stupid. So move that across over here. Then we go boop, 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 boop. Oh crap. Like that. Bro, we're about to get arty in here. It's like a dark void. There we go.
Nice.
Looks more like a cutout that way, I think.
Yeah.
Let's see,
Yeah. Where do we put the cycling logo?
Right on its forehead. Or maybe this goes at the top. Because the spacing's kind of awkward on this thing. Whoa, that does not scale. So if this goes up here. Oop. Cash for trash.
Cash for trash.
Then we go in the middle. Chuck a cheeky. Okay, the recycling logo looks like it's gonna be my next worthy opponent. Ah, okay. Come on. What if this was an obnoxious green? Is that a bad idea? Yes.
Whoa.
It's right in the name. Obnoxious green. The one thing I've learned about pixel art is often it looks worse when you try and make it like completely balanced, and sometimes it doesn't. So which way around do you reckon? I'm gonna change this the bloody like category for the stream as well, because it's like I've got it in science and technology. I don't know why the fuck I've got it in science and technology. Gaming? What would you classify this as, Will?
Is
Guitar. There we go.
I mean, it's kind of gaming.
I think gaming is like probably much more closely related than other things.
Yeah.
All right. We need to get some more, engagement, like backseat driving on like our art direction, because that shit was useful. To be honest, your art direction is pretty good as well.
Yeah.
All right. I want your thoughts and feelings on this goddamn recycle logo.
I think it needs to be a little bit more obvious that they're arrows, so maybe like some little sticky out bits.
So should I make it bigger? I think I'll have to make it bigger as a result. What do you think? Let's go around again. Slightly larger this time, mate.
Yeah.
Oh, so actually, just gonna quickly change the title. Godot game dev. There we go. Save that. Okay. Larger, we say. We shall have larger.
Do it.
I think the color was okay that I was using.
Yeah, that looked alright. That looked pretty good.
So it needs to be going around. Going around. We'll just try and get one arrow right. And then see what the verdict is. Oh crap. That's too big. It's kind of nuts, eh? How like one pixel too many and it's like just way out of proportion.
Yeah.
One pixel not enough and it's like, look at that, What do you reckon about that size error?
Yeah, I think that's good. I think almost if you leave a gap so it doesn't form a... Oh, okay. No, that looks great. That looks fine.
You reckon how it's currently is looks good?
Yeah. If you want it smaller, if you leave a gap between the line and then just the arrowhead.
Gap between the line and then just the arrowhead.
Yeah.
It
was like a little right angle thing.
Well, that's cute. Yeah, I'm vibing that.
Then if you take out, so now the arrowhead is just like one pixel either side. That might save you some space.
That's good. I think it's too long now, so it probably should only be... Let's just try this kind of length. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, I'm going to start with the arrowheads since they seem to be... so the arrowheads are obviously different.
Oh, right.
When they're not at an angle, which changes everything.
God damn it. Pixel art.
God damn. The struggle. How many arrows? There's only supposed to be 3, right?
Yeah, there's only supposed to be 3.
Okay. So the top 2, these 2 are going to be on a bend, but this guy here has to take the L and be on the flat. But I think he starts like back there. So we'll just go get that. YOLO. That's the worst that could happen. Okay, yeah, now we need to figure out an arrow out of this one. How do we fit in a third fucking arrow in here, dude?
I don't know, man.
Why does this happen to me? Let's go for the right angle approach since that worked last time. Okay. I feel like this is getting there.
Shame about that bottom one. That bottom one doesn't look like
the bottom one's fucking it. But
yeah,
to be quite honest, this straight line is like killing it a little bit as well.
yeah.
It's a bit too like broad, you know? What happens if... No. What if we did like... Alright, you ready for something radical, dude?
Okay.
Hold your horses.
Alright, I'm holding my horse.
Okay, where do we go? Boom. Boom. Come back this way. Da, da, da. Okay, actually we need to change the color. Da, da, da. Oh, yes. That's it. And now it points at the bin. So we go like that.
Oh yeah.
That kind of works, right?
Yeah. Not quite a recycling symbol anymore, but that looks pretty good.
As good as it's gonna get.
Yeah. But that just makes it look like that's just you put in a bottle and then it just goes up and back.
Yeah, it looks like you put in a bottle. Yeah, and you're just gonna get the bottle back. Oh gosh. Huh. What does it need? I think this looks really tacky up here. What do you think?
Like what part specific? Oh, the cash for trash.
Yeah. What do you think? I think it looks a little bit tacky with that bit up there.
What if you
Don't
lower?
like
I don't know.
What if it was just this size? Boop, boop, boop. So like imagine if it was just this height. Boop.
Yeah.
Yoink. Oh crap. Oops. There we go. What do you think?
Wait, I'm just seeing what
Like that. That kind of size.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Move all this crap down. Yeah. Get that colour going. Shit kind of bops, to be honest.
Yeah.
Could have a little sign sticking out of it. Catch for trash.
Cash for trash.
How high? If you had a guess, how many pixels? What's this? 63. Is that including the edges? $32. Okay, 60. So it's 42 high. 42 by 32. 32, 42. Oh, it's already got it. Wow. What do you think of that?
Yeah. Wait, hold on. I'm just waiting for the changes. And boom. Yeah, that looks good.
Do you think it needs a top or something?
Ooh.
Because the other items kind of have a top. Okay, what about... the thing, one of them could be on the top. like, it would at the same time kind of make sense if the deposit thing was at the top, but then I'd just be doubling back on what I've already done. Down, 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 down. There. Down. And then we go. Man, how do you make something square look 3D from front on? Prison break. Prison architect. Bending. Machine. Because this thing is 3D, I know that for sure. So look. Can you even see this in the stream? I don't know if this is like large enough once the stream catches up.
I move.
They've actually got pretty cop out vending machine design. It's just like boxes with flat tops.
Yeah.
But that kind of works.
Could go for like a paler. Ugh, that's gross. I would probably go for like a grey or something.
Yeah.
So it'd be like this. Boop, boop. And then boop. Oh, it don't feel right. What do you think? Oh, I think in the world it will probably look okay.
Yeah.
Well, maybe it needs like a darker edge. Boom. That.
Yeah, that.
What do you think? The dark edge? What do you?
Yeah.
What's your vibe?
Yeah, I think that's good. That makes it.
Okay, let's just save that. Recycle machine. Save. Save as. Yeah. Let's export that shit. Recycle machine. Bam. All right. Into the game. Recycle machine. Filter that shit. Yeah. Let's put that inside the shop, since it makes sense for it to be in there. Maybe on top of this concrete area over here. This brick hangout area. Alright. So now we walk on over to that area. Ah, our loyal viewer is back and asking what they missed. Well, we got a fucking recycle machine, yo.
And we got some empty bottles.
Yeah, we got some. We actually got quite a bit. We got empty bottles. We have full bottles. We got recycle machine.
Yeah.
And best of all, I don't think recycle machine looks too shit. Yeah.
I think that's alright.
Just gonna see if our loyal, very sexy bottles.
Damn straight.
They are sexy bottles. Thank you very much. What are your thoughts, Will?
On?
Just the state of things at the moment. Should we leave it as it is, or should we do one more asset?
I think that's a good amount of progress.
Yeah, I reckon too. Alright. Thank you for tuning in. We're sorry that you missed our very sexy bottle design process and recycle machine, but we got a fair bit done, to be honest.
Yep.
Yeah, I think the thumbnail for this one's gonna be literally like trash can, and and rubbish bottles. But I'm pretty happy with it so far. Remember, Will? Smash the fucking subscribe.
Yep. I will.
Pound that shit.
Good.
Recycle that button. Thank you to the chat for being so supportive. Look at you, King. Accomplishing tasks. This is so awesome.
Nice.
Yeah. See you in the next installment.